guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pakdo the Trunks. Today we'll be featuring a new series of video. It's about a specific laptop model. What are its internals? What are its path of upgradability? This is helpful when finding out what parts that are easily add-on or deciding to buy a new laptops that has an efficient cooling system. Before that, I would like to clear this first, that the laptop we featured in this video is the one that we worked on. If you notice that there are still stickers, rubbers, or films attached on it, and we didn't even detach its peripherals, because I work in a company that offers a service. We are only touching and working on a specific task that are listed in the service order that the client requested. If the client wanted an additional RAM, so we're doing the RAM upgrade only. The RAM upgrade only. Okay, with that clearly said, let's get started. I have here a Lenovo ideadpad S145-14IGM laptop, a specific model of 81MW006HPH. This is an Intel Pentium Silver N5000 with 4 cores and 4 threads processor. The exciting part of it, when you flip the laptop and identify the path of upgradability and its extras. First, we're going to take a look at its rechargeable battery. This is a L16C2PV2, a 2-cell type lithium battery with 7.6 volts and a typical capacity of 4030 milliamp or 30 watt-hour. This battery consumption will last up to 5 hours of usage based on the processor's TDP limit. In detaching this battery, you will undo these 3 mounting screws and slide this battery connector from its main board. This wireless LAN plus Bluetooth adapter connected with dual antenna is a 802.11 AC Wi-Fi protocol, a mode of 1x1 40Hz that support 200 Mbps with a Bluetooth version 4.2. This has a one removable screw to detach. In terms of memory, it has a one removable DIMM slot and protected by a DIMM shielding L81EK. It's a Hynix 4GB DDR4 2666 MHz SODIMM running only at 2400 MHz due to processor's limit memory support. This is upgradable to 8GB DDR4 SODIMM as a max memory. As you can see here, the storage is a combination of M.2 SSD and HDD. The M.2 SSD is 2242 Western Digital 128 gigs PCIe 3x2 as an OS drive. This is upgradable up to 500 gigs M.2 2242 or M.2 2280 SSD. With one removable screw to detach. For HDD, it's a Western Digital WD10SPZX-24Z10T1 1TB 5400 RPM 2.5 inches hard drive. This is upgradable to more than 1 TB capacity of 2.5 inches HDD or 2.5 inches SSD. With 2 removable screws and slowly lift HDD bracket to detach it from HDD FFC. This laptop is an Intel Pentium 4 N5000, a 4-cores 4-threads processor with a 1.1 GHz base frequency and a max frequency of 2.7 GHz and rated TDP of 6 watts. Because of its low TDP rate, it's a passive cooling setup that has a single pipe that transfers the heat to a larger heat plate for faster cooling capabilities. If the processor is not performing well because of thermal issue and needed to be replaced, these are the mounting screws to detach the heatsink from its processor. Fanless laptops available these days are built on lower powered hardware platform, and while they can handle everyday tasks just fine, they are not really meant for serious multitasking or the more demanding tasks such as editing videos and photos, running program software, or modern PC games. This helps you understand which is the right choice. I do hope you find this useful, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!